this filament.
Yeah, the
okay.
material.
So should I lift it? No, not yet.
Sorry?
Should I lift it? Not yet.
You like to have the other hoe? Ah, okay, sì, yes. Sure. Perfetto. Clean on the surface.
Ah, sorry.
Lei non ha paura perché va per
Funghi.
funghi sempre.
Anch'io vado a funghi.
I did break it.
It's not. It's the dog
It's
because
the dog.
I'm
Okay.
away and the dog tried
Ah.
to bite because it's not deep the truffle. You can break these small pieces. It's good for the spore. Okay. Where is? Okay.
So is it still early? Because it's not. Is it fully mature or no?
Yes. The right color is brown with white veins. When you find, and sometimes it's possible to the restaurant, these species of truffle white inside, it's not right. And usually the taste is nothing, okay?